Hello everyone, we're gonna set YouTube on fire. I hope everyone fine and well. Today I'm gonna make my face foundation, just a homemade foundation, and I'm gonna show it to you. So let's check. I got handy cream, any handy cream you can use. Just a little bit. Baby powder, and we're gonna use some of any old eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this brown, like it's orange color, with that one, because if I mix this and this, it will be my color. So this fair color with the orange one. So I'm gonna take a little bit by the spoon from this and that, and I'm gonna mix all of them. Homemade foundation, no chemicals, saving money and saving time. So now just I will need some of this orange one. I'm gonna make. As I'm living in Turkey, unfortunately, they are not providing in the big brands any foundation for the dark skin. So only if you go to duty free you may find it, but in the normal or local brands or markets, the only fair color is just this one. This is so fair for me, but this is for them, is the darkest color. So let me show you. This is the darkest color that is around. Just if you go anywhere, they will let you, okay, this one is the darkest one. So I cannot find my color. That's why I decided to make my own foundation. Now here is the foundation that I did, and this is the darkest color here. So now we're gonna try it together. Actually, I'm using always my hand for the makeup. I'm not able to use brushes. For the foundations, I always use my hand. Here the bronze foundation that you can make it at home. It's very easy and natural. This one. Thank you so much for your watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and put your comments. Thank you and have a nice day.